Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your AI image talk for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's video, we're going to use HeyGen AI. So first of all, you can visit this website app.heygen.com, and then you're going to sign into this website, and after that you will be able to use the AI tools in this website. And to make your AI image talk, you can use this tool, photo to video with avatar 4, and you can upload a photo here. And for example, I'm going to upload one of the photo from this folder. Okay, and then I'm going to add for example this man. Okay, and then we're going to type our script here, or we can upload or record audio. And for the script, I'm just going to choose a random script from here, and I'm going to go back to the HeyGen. Okay, and then you're going to select the voice, and for the voice I'm going to choose this one. Okay, then we can choose the custom motion. Okay, you can describe the gestures and facial expression that you want, but it's optional. And I'm going to click on generate video. Okay, and for the better quality, you can upgrade the HeyGen. Okay, and wait guys, now the video is being generated. You just need to wait for a moment. Okay, and now my video is in line for processing. If you want to get the faster generation, you can upgrade to Pro. Okay, and now my video is ready guys, and I'm going to show you how the video looks like. I'm going to play it.
Deforestation is the large-scale removal of forests, often to make way for agriculture.
And if you want to download the video, you can click on this download icon, and then the video will be saved to your device. Okay, and that's all the tutorial.